Number 32. Meet Rojo the fire truck. Ah, good thing we built ourselves a fire. Sorry, boys. What? Oh, Hey, that was our campfire. Yeah, that's our campfire. Yeah, what's the matter with you? Guys, I want to give you safety rules. Do not make fires. What? What are you talking about? Yeah, what are you talking about? Yeah, we're just building ourselves a fire here, but not in the fall. You see, here's something you don't see every day. Fires are very dangerous. And you can definitely get hurt, and it'll definitely burn your wheels. Ah, whatever. Whatever you do, don't use a match, lighter, or any kind of match. And I'll take these. Well, do not play with fires, okay? Yes, Rojo. Good. I'll be on my way. Stay safe now. Yeah, same to you. Not. Hey, you got the spare? Yeah, got the spare. Alright. Guys, you smell something burning? I do. Do you smell something burning? Yeah, I did. There's nothing. Yeah, nothing. Ah! Ford Mustang, you're on fire! I know, right? No, really, dude, you're on fire now. Yeah, really, on fire. What? What are you talking about? Look on top of your hood. Yeah, bro, you're still on fire. What? Ah! 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 Whew. Still playing with fires, aren't you? Well, no, I mean, no, we did. Okay, you caught us. Yes, we are playing with fires. That's what your safety rule is. Never play with fires. I know, we know. We should have listened to you. And I think we learned ourselves a big lesson. A very big lesson. Do not play with fires, guys. It's very dangerous. Yeah.